Demand in a business is a good thing, but what about abnormal demand? In this module, you will find out what is abnormal demand. Abnormal demand is an unusual, uncommon, or irregularly high product demand that is outside the normal parameters established by the management policy. Abnormal demand can occur for many different reasons, some being that it may occur due to a promotion, price break, end-of-the-year sale, substitution, or even customer whose own demand may be irregular. In other words, abnormal demand can emerge from a new customer, existing customer whose demand either increasing or decreasing. Managing abnormal demand can be a challenge for supply chain and operations professionals. Let's look at a very basic example. A manufacturer was asked to supply parts for a military project. The project required 6,000 different SKUs that had never been made before. Such a request had not been planned, nor had it been performed before. The downside of this abnormal demand is the disruption that it causes in the normal production. In addition to this, the organization will need to replan the entire manufacturing schedule to meet the needs of this urgent military project. So, what's the upside? This military project will create a massive increase in the revenue of the organization. It will also strengthen the alliance between each organization and support the needs of the military project. Now let's stretch our minds a bit with a challenge. What do you think? Should the company in our already described example accept the urgent military project? Share your thoughts in the community, comments, or upcoming assignments, and we'll see you in the next module.